Discovered a pshowform file in a Microsoft Access database project? These are macro components used to display forms in Access applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Microsoft Access showform macro files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single PS showform, file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. PEN showform. Files are macro component files associated with Microsoft Access database applications used to define form display behaviors. They contain macro instructions for opening and presenting Access forms, with specific parameters used to build database user interfaces and automate form-based workflows in Access applications. PUSA showform. Files use Microsoft Access macro format, storing form display commands, parameter specifications, and event handling logic. The structure includes macro action definitions, argument values, condition expressions, and execution flow. Following Access's documented macro specification within the database application framework. It is standard practice to open the PA showform format using the designated Microsoft Access by Microsoft. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows cannot display stored entries or fields, so specialized DBMS software is necessary. The quickest way to solve the failure is testing all options. Right-click the P showform file and hit Open with. Use Microsoft Access if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the correct software handler. If you are still having trouble opening the PSUS showform file, do not worry. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Microsoft Access. Open the parent Access database file, MDB or ACCDB, containing the PS showform macro component. Access displays macros in the navigation pane under the Macros category. Double-click the macro to open it in the Macro Designer for viewing, editing, or testing the form display behavior. Next, editing macro logic. Modify pshowform macros in Access's Macro Designer by adjusting actions, arguments, and conditions. The Visual Macro Builder provides an interface for editing macro logic without writing VBA code, enabling database developers to customize form display behaviors for specific application requirements. Finally, converting to VBA. For more complex form display logic, convert PS showform macros to VBA code using Access's Convert Macros to Visual Basic functionality. VBA provides greater flexibility for complex logic error handling and integration with other Access features, enabling more sophisticated database application functionality. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt Access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.